Hi guys, I'm C2 from uklocksport.co.uk. Not long been in from work, so thought I'd have a go doing a quick video of this Airbus, probably can't see that there, Brady sort of lockout padlock, plastic bodied. Does have a working key. That's the bitting on the key. I believe they are 6-pin, and some contain 5 spools and 1 standard driver pin. I might have a go at gutting this afterwards and show photographs. On the lock it says sort of 27, and I think there was a name under there, sort of the owner. The key retaining, so 27 also on that. Lock it back up. It's light tension. I think I'm going to use is this sort of medium hook. Tension wrench is going to be this sort of flexi type homebrew I made. Works really well on many locks. Start back to front. Tension wrench fits lovely in there, just between the little wards at the bottom. So gentle tension, worked sort of from the back to the front. Also stamped on there is 7140. There you go, picked open. I'll try that one more time. That's the Airbus stamped on there. Don't know if the light will catch that. Lock it back up. Show the key working again. So again to the back. Picked open again. So that's an Airbus Brady safety lockout, single pin picked. So if you are newbies to lock sport guys, why not come visit us at www.uklocksport.co.uk. Thanks for watching, happy picking, and please keep it legal.